It's back to school with PBS Kids.
Yay! School time!
From DJ Lunch Ladies to Schools of Fish
Yay!
to playtime
Who wants to play?
to snack time.
Sandwiches!
Celebrate back to school time with all your friends.
Terrific!
And a spectacular new Daniel Tiger movie, Won't You Be Our Neighbor? Premieres Monday, September 17th on PBS Kids. And watch Daniel Tiger anytime on the PBS Kids video app.
Anything's possible if you imagine it.
PBS Kids has gone pink
La la la.
with Pinkalicious and Peterific.
This is so cool!
Weekdays on PBS Kids and watch it anytime on the PBS Kids video app.
Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood is made possible in part by
Every kid should be encouraged to keep trying, even if they are a little puzzled along the way. That's why the Rite Aid Foundation, through its KidSense program, supports kids in neighborhoods like yours, and why we're proud to support Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood.
the Richard King Mellon Foundation, and by these Pittsburgh foundations, working together to enhance and enrich the lives of children, and by the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, and by the
Yes, Kids.
Double the Daniel Tiger continues next.
Ugga mugga.
I have a couple questions about the 24/7 PBS Kids channel.
Oh, really? What?
Well, for starters, what day is it on?
Every day.
Oh, yeah? What time? Wait, anytime you want?
Yeah!
Like when you get home from school or maybe after dinner? Whenever?
Exactly.
Oh, so it's PBS Kids any day, anytime.
Oh, yeah!
Watch anytime you want on WTTW PBS Kids 24/7 channel. Educational children's programming on WTTW is brought to you from the Renee Crown Public Media Center.